drilling the butterfly turnaround. And you may be thinking, ooh, show me, what's that? So you're in a butterfly, you open it up, you come into the underhand butterfly, you open it up, you come into the overhand butterfly, and then doing the switchback to go the other way. So this is both ways of it. And then, of course, just like the move we were just doing where we could traverse space, right? I could be here, and then I could go bump, 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 bump. So we want to do the right hand chest high. And when you're doing this, notice I'm opening my hip a little bit to get it back behind, but there's a softness in my elbow, so I'm not locked like this and rigid. There's like a motion in the wrist, elbow, shoulder, and I'm opening the hip. So that's the right hand in overhand. And then this is the left hand in overhand. So same thing. And you're going to look forward while you're doing it. And then, so underhand, right hand, back and front, back and front, back and front, back and front. 4 more. 3, 2, and last one. And then we're going to do the left hand, same thing. And 8, and 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. We're going to start from the overhand butterfly and do the out and in, out, in, out, in, out, in. So relevant here. If your right hand is on top, when you go out and in, you want to make sure that you aim for the higher position. So you can exaggerate it if it helps. If your right hand is on bottom, you want to make sure that you aim for the lower position, which can help. Then we'll do the left hand, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And then same thing, if your left hand is on top when you do the butterfly, which is I don't think the preference that you have, when your left hand is on top, you come out and in and you have to aim for the higher position. If your left hand is on bottom, you have to aim for the lower position. So if you raise your right hand up a little bit, when you bring your left hand back in, you'll have space for it and less chance of derping. About it, when you're going front to back, when you're here on the bottom of the turn, that's when you scoop it back up and over into the front. You want to get to a place where you can do a single count out and in. So that's my left, and then you want to be able to do that also with your right. And then ideally, you want to be able to alternate left out, right out, left out, right